Huh? Verizon. Oh, wireless, huh?
Yeah, those are yours.
These are my
Gotta
wireless.
hold it up so the camera can see it, so it's not sideways.
This one, okay. Wireless. Connecting. Which one is yours?
The other two. I bought one as a spare. I think I bought I can't remember what I bought. Those are mine.
Ah, okay. Nice,
Okay,
baby.
bring it in here. I want to see it. I think the white one's like an extra set of the Apple ones.
Yeah, AirPods Lightning connector.
Those are just extra, so put those somewhere. Don't I have an extra pair hidden somewhere? Remember I had a pair of actual Apple ones that I told you not to use them yet?
No, wait. Oh, yeah, you have one.
Where is it? Down in that drawer?
Go. How do we sound? Sound care. It's nice. That's the booklet. Alright. This is the battery. I'll just steer you. You see? What's this? Oh, this is the charger. See the charger? Oh, what's this? Oh, here's the airplane. Look at that cuteness. Look at that. I like it. I love it. Huh? And this is... What's this one? This is the rubber. The rubbers to hold here so it's not painful. For
Can't see it on your camera. You're too far.
no, it does. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. I have 4 extra rubbers to hold my headphone.
They're probably different sizes.
Yeah. And this is the charger. It's nice. I need to charge this first. Just like this. Look. Wow, that's cool. Very nice. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
And this one is just the normal. This is just a spare.